unity in the founding, right? So I'm going to start with Lindsay here. Was and is unity something that came naturally or something that had to be negotiated in the founding?
So it's a great question. And to think about what was happening, we didn't have this sense of national unity that was something that was like spread. In fact, most people really thought the state was what they were representative of, or the state was who they were a part of. And so the notion that founders could come together and say, I think as an entity, we will be stronger if we are one collective thing, forces this conversation on unity. And when we think about how it is today, only 250 years later, I think something that's troubling for me or seems like an opportunity is that when asked if we believe other people in our country are good, over 51% in a recent Pew poll were willing to say, like, no, most of the people in our country are not good. And so we really have to overcome this notion that other people are maybe like out to get us or have bad goals. And we really have to think about unity as something where it's like trusting one another to come at something with a really well-intended idea, because I think that's what our founders had to do with each other, is rely on the notion that good men, good people with good intentions can accomplish great things, but you have to go through some sort of unifying conversation in order to get that good thing on the other side.
I think it's a great